Ever wonder what keeps an office running smoothly every single day? Who makes sure everything is in its place? It's the dedicated secretary. They are the heart of the office, the glue that holds everything together seamlessly. Secretaries are the friendly faces you see when you walk in, the ones who answer the phones with a smile, and the ones who keep everyone on track and organized. It's a big job, but someone's got to do it, right? In this essay, we're going to take a peek behind the desk and see what it's really like to be a secretary. We'll talk about the skills you need to succeed, the challenges you might face along the way, and the amazing rewards that come with this fulfilling job. Get ready to be surprised and inspired. So, what does a secretary actually do all day? It's a question many people have. Well, no 2 days are the same, that's for sure. The role is dynamic and ever changing, but there are some common tasks that most secretaries handle, regardless of the industry they work in. One of the biggest parts of the job is managing communication. This is crucial for the smooth operation of any office. This could mean answering phones, responding to emails, or even greeting visitors with a warm smile. Secretaries are also responsible for scheduling appointments and keeping calendars up to date, ensuring no one misses an important meeting. Another important aspect of the job is organization. They keep everything in its place so that the office runs efficiently. Secretaries are masters at keeping things in order. From files to office supplies, they ensure everything is where it should be. They might manage files, order supplies, or even help plan events, making sure every detail is perfect. Think about it like this: the secretary is like the conductor of an orchestra. They coordinate all the moving parts. They make sure everyone is in sync and playing the right tune, ensuring the office operates harmoniously and efficiently. Now, you might be thinking, being a secretary sounds like a lot of work, and you're right, it can be. The role demands a lot of multitasking and attention to detail, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The appreciation you receive from colleagues and clients makes it all worthwhile. To be a successful secretary, you need a special set of skills. It's not just about doing tasks, it's about doing them efficiently and effectively. First and foremost, you have to be organized, like really organized. This means having a system for everything from filing documents to managing your schedule. You're going to be juggling a lot of different tasks, so staying on top of things is key. Multitasking is a daily part of the job. You also need to be a good communicator. This involves not just talking, but also listening and understanding the needs of others. You'll be interacting with people all day long, both in person and over the phone or email. Clear and effective communication helps in building strong professional relationships. So, being able to communicate clearly and effectively is essential. Your emails and phone calls should be concise and to the point. And of course, you need to be a pro at using computers and office software. Continuous learning and upgrading your skills is part of the job. From word processing to spreadsheets, you'll be using a variety of programs to get your work done. Mastery of these tools can significantly boost your efficiency and productivity. Section 4: The Secretary's World. Secretaries are the backbone of many different types of organizations, playing a crucial role. You might find them in schools, hospitals, government offices, you name it. The work environment for a secretary can vary greatly depending on the company and the industry. Some offices are fast paced and bustling, while others are more laid back and relaxed. But one thing is for sure: secretaries are valued members of any team. They are the ones who keep things running smoothly and make everyone else's jobs a little bit easier and more efficient. Section 5: Rewards and Opportunities. Being a secretary isn't just about answering phones and scheduling meetings, it's a role that requires a unique blend of skills and talents. It's about making a real difference in the workplace. You are the backbone of the office, ensuring everything runs smoothly. You are the go to person, the problem solver, the one everyone relies on. Your ability to handle multiple tasks and keep things organized is invaluable. And the best part? There's room for growth. The skills you develop as a secretary can open doors to numerous career paths. Many secretaries go on to have long and successful careers, moving up the ladder into management or other areas they're passionate about. Whether it's human resources, project management, or even executive roles, the opportunities are endless. So, if you're looking for a job that is both challenging and rewarding, being a secretary might be the perfect fit for you. It's a role that offers both personal and professional growth. It's a chance to learn new skills, meet interesting people, and make a real contribution to the world. You'll be at the heart of the action, gaining insights and experiences that are invaluable. Plus, you might even get to wear a cool headset. It's a small perk, but it adds to the professional vibe. What do you think? Could you see yourself as a secretary? Share your thoughts below. We'd love to hear your perspective on this dynamic and essential role.